Hello guys, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin from Smile Hair Clinic. We are going to check our patient Leonardo's hair transplantation journey. As we start, we are going to see his pictures before the operation. As you see here, he needs hair transplantation for the frontal part and maybe some improvement for the top and the crown. I always tell my patients I use a loop which is magnifying like 35 times, so I can clearly see where to do hair transplant and where to not. Because if you played on the healthy hair, you actually kill them. So even I don't see a necessity at the beginning of the operation for a zone to have transplant hair. I always check with my loop and see if he is missing some hair there, or check the general health of the natural hair on the scalp. So let's go to the 13th day after the procedure. Yeah, his donor zone looks light in density. Some people may even think that it's over-harvested, but it's not. It will look much better after the 3rd month, and you guys will see at the end result. So at the 13th day, most of the implanted hair is still there, but it's a honeymoon phase. After this timestamp, most of the transplanted hair will be gone and he will have shock loss. Let's see the 1 month result. It looks much worse. Some people at this point may think that the hair transplant failed, but no need to be worried, because the hair will start to grow after the 6 months. At the 3rd month, we can see some increase in the transplanted hair. They started to grow there, but still they are not creating enough density, because the number and the thickness of the hair is fine. And you can see his donor zone started to heal really well, so it looks much more better than the 1st month. If we check his pictures from the 6 months, you can see he started to have a nice density in the front, but still you can see there's some density is missing. And at this point, it may be obvious that he had a hair transplant, but in the next months, it will look much more natural. So people sometimes may think that the 6 months is the time when they will see a result. No, it's not. It's the time stamp that the hair will start to grow. Let's jump to the 12th month. You can see he has nice and natural looking hair, both in the front and in the crown. His donor zone looks awesome. He's very happy right now. You can clearly see that he looks much more younger than before, and he can see the self-confidence from his face. So please do not hesitate to ask us any questions in your mind. Thank you.